There's so much I wanna do, to taste the world like something new. Breakfast on a quiet street in Rome, Paris lights that call me home. Swim in every ocean side, lie beneath the trembling sky. Stay up late just to feel my heart, be wild, be young, be hard. And I wanna stay in this moment, forever caught in its light. And when I get old, I wanna look back and smile and say that I did it all. I did it all. Every dream, every fall, I did it all. I did it all. I did it all. I wanna dance in the middle of rain, laugh until I forget my name, write love letters I'll never send, start over and begin again. Find magic in ordinary days, trace sunlight in the simplest ways, keep the wonder, keep the spark, be forever young at heart. And I wanna stay in this moment, where everything feels right. And when I get old,